refugees from Rwanda, Congo, Sudan, Somalia, Eritrea, and Ethiopia. You guys, we are warning you. 2026. It's a protestive vote for Ugandans. Don't get involved in our national affairs. Don't get involved in our presidential election. Because we know for so long, Museveni has been using you guys to vote for him so that he can keep himself in power for so long, despite the fact that he has been rigging votes. But he uses you people to add the numbers for him in refugee camps which are in Uganda. Right now, buses are coming in Uganda, and they are registering refugees, giving them our national IDs to vote for Museveni. I'm warning you, if you know you're a refugee in Uganda and you're misusing our national ID, all in the name of voting for Museveni, because I know you guys, you get those national IDs for Uganda on conditions. We give you the ID, you make sure you vote for NRM or you vote Museveni. I have friends who have already confirmed with me. They needed a shelter, a safe shelter in Uganda. But that was the condition they gave them. That we are giving you the IDs, you make sure you vote for NRM. So please, I'm here to warn you guys. This is a battle for Ugandans. It's okay you guys to have our national IDs, but misusing them to keep Museveni in power. We are trying to fight dictatorship in Uganda. We are trying to change the system in Uganda. So refugees, we are kindly pleading with you. Don't get involved in our national presidential election 2026. It's a protestive vote for Ugandans. Ugandans are suffering. We have left our country. And you guys, you think that you're safe in Uganda. Let me remind you, what forced you to come from your country? If you don't do the right thing, it may happen as well in Uganda. And I don't know where you guys you're going to run to. So kindly, refugees in Uganda, I have no problem for you having our national IDs. But misusing them, voting in the favor of NRM, this is a battle for Ugandans, not a battle for refugees. Stop helping Museveni to stay on that seat for a long time. We are tired of his system. And we want to make a change. We want to make a difference. 2026. It's our protestive vote. It's very easy for you refugees to have our national IDs. Yet we Ugandans, it's the damn fucking hard to have our national IDs. When you think of renewing it, the costs of renewing the national ID, and to get it also, it's very hard. But you refugees, you get our national IDs on a silver plate just because you have conditions you need to vote for NRM government. Just because that's the only way Museveni, or that's the only chance Museveni uses to keep him in power, to keep himself in power. So please, if you go to Kenya, you will not see that. You will not say Ugandan having a Kenyan ID. You will not say Ugandan having a Rwandani ID, Sudani, Ethiopia. Eh? All these countries I've named, it's very hard to say Ugandan holding their ID. But for you refugees, you come in Uganda. Yes, I know you come for shelter, or for a safer shelter, because you're refugees. But what forced you to come from your country? If you don't do the right thing, it may as well happen in Uganda. Because 2026, we are going into protestive vote. And this battle is for Ugandans. So don't be involved. Because we know you. And we are watching you.